In this episode, we will be learning how to mute a group chat in Zangi. To mute a group chat in Zangi, first of all, open the Zangi application on your mobile device, and then make sure to navigate to the Chats tab and select the group chat you want to mute. Once you open up the group chat screen, tap on the name of the group at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the mute button from the list and select how long you want to mute the chat for. The option may include mute for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or 1 day. Choose the mute duration from the list, and then you will then be able to mute the group chat now. You will not receive notifications for new messages from the group. So that is how you can easily mute a group chat in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.